All right, y'all. It has come to the point where I was trying not to, but now I need to. So if y'all can find me somebody eyeglass store that's going out of business, going out of stock with the super huge eyeglass rack, y'all know what I'm talking about, the wall one. Let me know because this is getting ridiculous. I have glasses up here. I really stopped ordering some glasses just to make sure that I have room. But I'm still getting ambassador whatever packages. However, it's just not fitting up here. Now they're moving to my closet. Listen, if y'all know somebody that's selling the big rack, drop it in the comments. Help your girl out. Yep. Yeah. We're getting out of hand. I need a bigger rack.